Hey guys, it's John. Welcome to Modelworks Direct. Here we replicate various airplanes, aircrafts, tanks, cars, motorcycles, ships, boats, yachts, you name it, we'll do it, to wooden custom scale models. Now this week's video is a model airplane display of the Embraer ERJ-145. Now this is a solid canopy model, however, every customer is given the opportunity, or the option rather, for a clear canopy model with matching interior and with identical matching cockpit gauges as well as controls. Now, if you're an airplane enthusiast, an aviation enthusiast rather, you will want to add the Embraer custom airplane model to your model airplane collection. Before we proceed, I would like to address that most of you guys aren't subscribed yet to our channel. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell icon to get notified with our upcoming videos like this. So enough with the chit chat, guys. Let's get down to the process. Okay, so for the initial process, the shape of the plane will be done by the carver using blueprints to get the perfect width, height, and length of the wings, body, engines, and the stabilizers. Afterwards, the finished product will proceed to the putty stage, where the model will undergo multiple layers of grayish paint and paste to close the gaps and holes, also to get a smooth texture before the base coat is applied. Now once the base coat is applied and dried, the next step is the artist stage, where the painting details will occur. In addition, the artist will use various tools like the airbrush, paintbrush, and sharp blades to apply techniques like masking and stenciling. Every aircraft model also includes lined representations of the ailerons, elevators, flap stabilizers, landing gear, and egress doors. As you can see on the video, this well-done detailing was achieved by the use of photos as a reference for the artist. Subsequently, the antenna, beacons, GPS, and other smaller parts like the pitot tubes, added for the accuracy of the actual outside of the airplane, will be positioned by the rigging artist on the correct places based on photos, blueprints, and drawings, then painted the proper colors for each. Last, but the most essential part, is the top coat stage, where a clear paint will be applied to protect the painting details from corrosion and other micro scratches. And now the stages are done, let's reveal the final product. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that video. For more videos on how we make our custom wooden scale models, you can browse our channel. Don't forget to like and share the video. Comment what you think to help us improve our craft. It can be good or bad, or we'll take it. Subscribe and ring that bell button to get an update on every video we actually post. But until then, this is John from Modelworks Direct. If you can think it, we can build it. Modelworks Direct.